Hi and welcome to this video. My name is Brian Nelson from Encaustic Art Plus, based in Elsica, South Yorkshire. Hi, welcome to this video. Today I've done something a little bit different and I've pre-stamped some of the imagery. So I've just used the Encaustic original tree and stamped it across the bottom here. Then I've just applied a quick coat of clear wax. You've seen me do stamping in loads of other videos. Feel free to have a look, put a link to one of the ones where we've done some stamping. I'm just going to put a bit more clear wax on, just so those of you that are not sure how I've done it. I've literally just crayoned it on, and I'm using the A2 Plus Ultimate Hot Plate for Encaustic Art, and I've got it on setting 6 now when it warms up a little bit more. It's about middle temperature. This painting, I actually saw something similar, took some inspiration from it and decided I was going to have a go at creating it in encaustic in my own way. So I've got red violet number 12, a couple of different blues, probably 9 and 19 I think. So I'm just applying the wax randomly. I'm going to take a gloss roller and I'm just going to roll the whole thing and see what we get. It's just doing exactly what I wanted. It's blending together in like a patchy way, and that's what I wanted. I wanted it to look a bit patchy. If your colours are not blending very well, little tip for you, add more clear wax. I'm not too worried. Around the top of my trees, and a little bit around the bottom. Not too worried if the colour's a bit different there. Roller it in a bit quicker. I could have just turned the hot plate up a bit, but just wanted to do it nice and steady. And now we've got all that nice background. Just gonna tiny bit more blue wax here and there and just roll it in quickly. Just some of the marks are just a little bit sort of strong. That's the sort of thing I wanted. I'm just going to take a block of black wax from underneath the trees, take a tissue, scrunch it up, dab. Just going to push the donut on for a second or two, just to get an area of light in that sky. And that's about finished. Do hope you've enjoyed that. A little bit different today. Take care and see you all soon. Happy painting everyone, and we'll look forward to seeing you all in our next video. Please hit like and subscribe.